Namaste parents and teachers. Welcome to Racks and Tubes virtual material done using Google Jamboard. This material is used by the children to do long division. Let me describe the material for you. On the extreme right there are division boards, 4 division boards. The green color board on top is for units. The blue colored board is for tens. The red colored board is for hundreds and the dark green colored board is for thousands. These are the tubes with beads on racks. These are the bowls to keep the beads. These are the skittles. And these are the beads which we are going to use in this virtual material. Because the actual beads cannot be used in this virtual material, we are using these beads as beads. Let us take a problem, division problem. Say 45,236 divided by 32. Here I am using sticky notes to jot down the problem. If you look into my previous video about using StampGame virtual material, you will know how to use sticky notes. Let us place the sticky note in a corner so that we know what problem we are working on. Let us make a new frame on this Jamboard by clicking on the right arrow at the top. We will be writing down the problem and the intermediate steps here. Now let us come back to the first frame. We have the divisor as 32, as you can see, 3 tens and 2 units. So let us take the division boards accordingly, the unit board and the tens board. We need only 2 boards in this problem because it's a double digit divisor problem. Now we have the dividend as 45,236. So let us take the quantity in beads. We need to take 5 bowls and 5 racks and tubes, starting from units up to 10,000 because we have that much of quantity, 45,236. We brought down the units, now tens, then hundreds, then thousands, bowl and racks and tubes, then 10,000s, bowl and racks and tubes. We have brought down the bowls and racks and tubes. Now we need to take the beads. We have 6 units in the dividend, so we need to take 6 unit beads. So we need to duplicate the green unit bead 6 times and put it into the ball, unit ball. Then we need to take 3 tens and put it in the tens ball. Then taking 2 red 100 beads, we need to keep those beads in the red color 100 ball. Then what do we have in the dividend? We have 5 thousands. So we need to take the green color beads again, put it in the thousands bowl. One, two, three, four, and 5. 5 thousands into the thousand bowl. Then we need to take 4 10,000s blue colored beads and put it into the 10,000s ball. We always start the division from the highest hierarchy, that is 10,000s. So we need to bring the 10,000s racks and tubes and the bowl down to the division board. Since the divisor has two digits, we need to bring two hierarchies down, 10,000s and thousands. Oh, we need to keep the skittles on the division board. Let us do that. We have 32 as the divisor, so we need to keep 2 unit skittles and 3 skittles of 10. Now let us start distributing the beads among the skittles. Now if we give 10,000 bead, one 10,000 bead to one 10 skittle, how much will one unit skittle get? We give 1,000 to 1 unit. 1 unit skittle gets 1,000. Then one 10,000 skittle gets one 10,000 bead. This way we keep distributing the beads among the skittles until we can't distribute the skittles anymore in this way. Oh, there are no 10,000 beads anymore, so we can't distribute. If we give it to one skittle, we need to give to all the skittles, but we don't have enough beads, 10,000 beads, so we can't give. Before clearing the board, we need to see what each skittle got, what each unit skittle got, and that is 1,000. So let us write down that in the quotient portion. Let us go to the next frame, that is where we recorded, and write 1 in the quotient place. And then we get back to the previous frame. Now it is time to see what is used up on the division boards and write those things down on the next frame, that is 32,000. So we just have to write down 32 under 45. Yes, now we can come back to the previous frame and check what is left in the bowl and write it down again in this frame. Before that, let us clear the boards. Now let us count the beads that are left over in the bowls. 1, 2, 3. 3,000 beads and We write 3 in the thousands place. We have 1 10,000. So we write 1 in the 10,000s place. And put the empty 10,000 bowl and rack back into the tray. Now let us shift the thousands ball and rack along with the 10,000 bead to the tens board and bring down the hundreds ball and rack to the units board to distribute these beads. So what did we do now? We brought the 200s down to distribute, and that's what we are writing down here. Now let's get back to the previous frame and start distributing the beads among the skittles now. Thousands to the tens skittles and hundreds to the unit skittles. Oh, we don't have any thousands now. So we have 10,000. So let us change it to 10 beads of thousands. And continue distributing among the skittles. We don't have any more hundreds now, but we have 1000. So let us change 1000 to 10 hundreds. We put back 1000 and take 10 beads of 100. And continue to distribute. Okay, so we are done with distributing with thousands and hundreds. We don't have any more thousands, so we put back the ball and rack of thousands. Now it is time to see what each one got, and each one has got 400s. Let us record this or write it down in the next frame. Each skittle has got 400s, so we write 4 in the quotients place. Getting back to our working space, we need to see how many beads are used up on the boards. So we have 3000 taken 4 times, that is 12,000 on the tens board, and 200s taken 4 times, that is 800s on the units board. So totally we have 12,800 on the boards. And we write that down in the next frame. We have 12,800, so we write it as 128 in the respective places below 132. Now getting back to the working space, we shift the hundreds ball and rack to the tens board and bring down the tens ball and rack to the units board and record it in the next frame, just as we did it earlier. Now that we have written down what is used up on the boards, let us clear the boards. While clearing the boards on this virtual material, we just delete the beads, but in the actual material we put back the beads into the tubes on the racks. Yes, we are done with clearing the board. Oh, there is one 10 bead lying there. While bringing down the 10 ball, we have left it there. Let us bring it down. It is a bit difficult to count the beads here on this virtual material, so let us count it. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4. 400 beads and no more beads in the bowl. Now it is time to record. We are left with 400. So we write 4 in the right place, in the hundreds place, and then we have brought 3 tens down. So here also we bring the 3 tens down and write it down. Now we go back and start distributing the beads on the boards. Okay, now so we can't distribute any further because we have only 100 left, but we have 3 10 skittles. So we put the 100 ball and rack back. And shift the tens ball to the tens board. Now we can see that each skittle has got 110. So we write it down in the next frame as a quotient 1 next to 4. We have 320 used up on the board, so we write that down in the next frame. So we get back to the working space and see what is left in the balls. We have 100 and 110 left. So we write that down in the next frame. Getting back to the working space, we need to bring the unit bowl and rack down to the unit board for distribution again. Then we write down the same in the next frame. We are bringing 6 units down for distribution and we write that down. Then we come back to the working space and start clearing the board. Here we have 110 and 100. So we put the 10 bead into the ball and we change the 100 bead to 10 tens. And put it into the tens ball. Now we are ready to distribute the beads among the skittles. Oh, so we are running short of 10 beads of 10, so we can't distribute any further. So we need to put the last two beads of 10 back into the ball. Now as usual, it's time to check what each one got. Each skittle got. Each skittle has got 3 units. So we write that down in the quotient place. Coming back, we check what is used up on the division boards. It is 3 tens taken 3 times, that is 9 tens and 6 units. So it is 96. We need to write that in the recording frame, in the frame where we are recording, under 116, that is 96 has to be written under 116. And we get back and check what is the remainder in the ball. We have 1 and 2 tens, that is 20 left in the ball, but we can't distribute 20 among 32 skittles, so we need to stop our division here, and the remainder is 20. So we get to the frame we are recording in and write down 20 as a remainder. So we have the final answer as 45,236 divided by 32 is 1,413 with a remainder of 20. Thank you.